Hello again, it's Noob. I was buying some stuff to make some reviews on from AliExpress the other day, and I saw this, and part of me just thought this is absolutely awful, and then part of me was like, but it's got a skull in it, I kind of want to have a play with it. So apparently this is a TSA accepted, Travel Sentry approved lock, and you're supposed to sort of, let's cut this open, then you'll see the picture. I'm supposed to put this little bit of braided cable through the zips on a, I don't know, some kind of hold all or a sports bag or travel bag or your suitcase or whatever. And here we go. So just get rid of that. You can see that, there you go, you can put your zips together and then shove this through, and then the end cap, which is this glued on skull, apparently will then, well, how does that work? So can you just push it in, or do you need to, no, it looks like you need to unlock this. It's like a TSA 07 lock as well. So unlock, goes in, lock. Okay, so you unlock it by clockwise, then you can release it, goes in, lock it back up. Just looks so silly. So like this is like bobblehead effect. I mean, I don't think it's going to be a very good lock, but come on, that's fun, right? Now, if that is a TSA 07, I do actually have a TSA 7 master key here, which doesn't appear to work. So I have a 2, which looks very similar. Will that fit? No, so that is interesting because the 7 should work, but the key itself, if you look at these keys and this key, they're wildly different. And I've got lots of TSA 7 locks, and I have to admit that this is not really the keyway for it. Oh, well, no, it did open, so maybe that is right. But that is a very large keyway for, there you go, for such a small TSA 7 lock. And the TSA 2, which looks about right, which is this one, or closer, won't go in because it's got a different warding pattern, so it won't even go in at all. But okay, the TSA 7 master key does work, so I guess we just try to pick this, see if we can break it open or something. Can I pop a turning tool down the bottom of the keyway somewhere? Yeah, we can do that. That's going to be really hard to hold on to though, isn't it? Something like that. Okay. Do I have a rake to hand? Also, go in there and just have a... Yep, and we've got it open. So clearly these aren't particularly high security locks, are they? But I mean, it is kind of fun, I'm not going to lie. Little skull thing with a bobblehead on. Oh, well, there you go. Well, we explored everything we could explore on that, really. It's as you expect, very easy to pick, and there isn't sort of much more to this lock than that. I can try to do an SPP maybe. Try and get these little wafers. Easy said than done because they're very slim. There we go, got it. So we did SPP it. Right, that is really, that's full milking the content here on this, isn't it? We've SPP'd it, raked it, and we used master keys on it. So yeah, hope you liked the video. If you did, leave a like. Any comments, leave them below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, would like to, it really helps me out, so I'd really appreciate it if you did. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.